welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been asking me to share some of my hair growth and hair care secrets. Well, today I wanted to share with you guys my recipe for my DIY hair growth mask. This mask has been a staple in my hair care regimen for about 2 to 3 years now, and I absolutely swear by it. My hair has grown from like my ear all the way down to mid-back. Wanted to show you guys how I make my hair mask so that way I can help you guys achieve your hair growth goals. And I also have a super special spectacular ingredient that I include in all my hair masks and hair conditioners, and I'll tell you guys more about that. So if you guys want to know how I make my super duper extreme hair growth mask, then stay tuned. Now, getting into our ingredients, avocados are so rich in vitamins A, D, B, E, B6. They're also high in proteins and amino acid, folic acid, copper, iron. So good for our hair shafts and our scalp. Bananas, I love my bananas super ripe. Bananas are awesome because they're rich in biotin and potassium. And you guys know that biotin promotes hair growth and overall scalp health, but it also helps to prevent split ends and protect the hair's natural elasticity. Eggs are full of protein and lutein, which helps to hydrate your hair and improve elasticity. The proteins help to rebuild the damaged hair by filling in the weakened spots, which leads to strengthened hair. Honey is awesome for the hair follicles because it actually prevents hair fall and it helps to keep the hair naturally conditioned. Coconut milk is awesome because it also contains so many good proteins, fatty acids, and vitamins. It's an awesome conditioner for thicker, softer, and longer hair. And our super secret great ingredient is the growth acceleration oil. This oil is infused with over 20 organic herbs that are specifically designed to condition, strengthen, and increase blood circulation to hair follicles, leading to longer hair growth. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of my ingredients into a blender. You can do this by hand, but I like to blend it up because I don't want any big chunks in my hair mask. I just find that it's really hard to get out the chunks. So I like to blend my hair masks up until they are smooth, like a conditioner consistency. You guys can see what it looks like there, just so it's so much easier to spread and apply. And that looks awesome, totally edible, of course, but we're not done yet because we're going to go ahead and add our oil. Now again, this acceleration oil contains the botanical extracts like bamboo, black currant seed, and onion seed, just to name a few. And this oil is super rich, super potent, and I want to get every last drop, so I'm going to scrape it off. And then just go ahead and mix it into my hair mask, and once that is done, we are ready to apply. Now I like to apply this mask on dry hair, and I'm just separating my hair and detangling to make the application a little bit easier. And just go ahead, saturate your hair with this hair mask. It is so good for the strands, your ends, and do not forget your roots, you guys. This mask is packed with awesome ingredients to help nourish your hair follicles, so you want to make sure that you smear and lather that stuff on there so you can feed those follicles what they need, okay? But no, seriously, you guys, I do this mask about every other week. If I'm wearing my wigs, I usually do this mask right before I braid my hair down, and it really helps to strengthen and just kind of prepare my hair for being braided up and, you know, getting all that nourishment for the next month or so. I hope you guys enjoy that hair mask. Leave a comment down below if you do try it. Let me know how it works for you. I absolutely love it. I use it on my hair, my daughter's hair. Swear by it, and I know many people who do too. Comment down below if you guys have ever used avocado for your hair, whether the fresh avocado or a conditioner with avocado ingredients already in it. Let me know if you feel like the avocado made a difference to your hair. I would love to hear your answers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for more DIY hair and body care videos. Until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, love you. Bye.